Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to teach you days of the week. Children, do you remember that we have already studied in our previous video the days of the week? But today I am going to repeat all of them. Then we will continue our remaining work. Children, could you tell me then how many days are there in a week? Yes, 7. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now children, we will read their spellings. Now let's start the spelling. Monday, 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 Monday. Then Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Now repeat it again. Wednesday, Wednesday. And after Wednesday comes Thursday. Thursday, Thursday. Now repeat it again. Thursday, Thursday. And after Thursday comes Friday. Friday, Friday. Now repeat it again. Friday, Friday. And after Friday comes Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Now repeat it again. Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Sunday. And Sunday is a holiday. Now children, I am repeating the weekdays. Number 1 is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now it's time to written. Children, as you know that this is your English copy. And now we will write the remaining days of the week. Children, in the first you will draw 2 lines. 1 and 2 and make 3 columns. In first column, you will write the spelling of Friday because we have already written Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Now it's time to turn Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Here we will write the spelling of Friday. And the spelling of Friday is Friday, Friday. And here we will write the spelling of Saturday. Saturday, day, Saturday. And in the end, we will write the spelling of Sunday. Sunday, Sunday. Now read it again. The spelling of Friday is Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Now write it again. The spelling of Friday is Friday, Friday. Now write it again. Friday, Friday. Write it again. Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday. Now write it again. Friday, Friday. Then children, you will write here the spelling of Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Now write it again. Saturday, Saturday. Write it again, children. Saturday, Saturday. Now write it again. Saturday, Saturday. Write it again. Saturday. And in the last, children, you will write here the spelling of Sunday. And the spelling of Sunday is Sunday. Sunday. Write it again. Sunday. 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 Now I am repeating Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday. Now children, it's time to review. Okay, let's turn your page, and on the top of the page you will write the heading Days of the Week. Days of the Week. DAYS days. OF THE WEEK week. And then you will write here the spelling of Monday, because Monday is the first day of the week. So here we will write the spelling of Monday, and the spelling of Monday is MONDAY, day, Monday. Then here we will write the spelling of Tuesday, TUESDAY, day, Tuesday. And the third day of the week is Wednesday, WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. And the fourth day of a week is Thursday, THURSDAY, day, Thursday. The fifth day of a week is Friday, FRIDAY, day, Friday. And the sixth day of a week is Saturday, SATURDAY, Saturday. And children, the last day of a week is Sunday, and Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday, and the spelling of Sunday is SUNDAY, Sunday. I hope children you will do this work at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care, and Allah Hafiz.